Hey everybody!
Hey world!
How's it going?
June 8th is Friendship Day.
It is. It's Friendship BFF Day, so we are celebrating by unboxing our Birchboxes.
I'm excited. I just love products and trying new products all the time.
It is fun. Even for a non-beauty person, I have come to really enjoy it, I have to say. Let's dive in.
Let's do it. Here we go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! This is Balance Me, their congested skin serum. I am obsessed with this product.
True.
Within a month of using this, I noticed that my skin was a lot clearer and people were commenting on it. So
yeah, I mean, it's looking great right now.
Thank you so much.
You look amazing.
That is a new to me brand.
Yeah, I've never heard of it. Deep Dive Water Cream. Check it.
Oh, it's like a jiggly situation. Ooh.
It's kind of a jelly-like substance.
Oh, I love that.
I'm super excited about this fragrance that I have because it's called Juliet, and Juliet's right here.
Juliet has a gun.
Moscow Mule, which one of my favorite cocktails, so we're off to a good start.
Yeah.
Has like a nice lime, like citrus scent.
My fragrance is from Toka.
Ooh.
Which I love.
One of my favorite fragrance brands.
Yeah, me too. It says distinctive wild iris and black currant are wrapped in elegant florals.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Not
that's
mad about
lovely.
that at all. Not mad about that. So up next for me, I have this. I've actually purchased this in full size before. It's the Oribe
Après Beach and Wave Spray.
Beach Wave and Shine Spray.
People love to smell so much.
I just sprayed. It's also great as a fragrance.
Yeah, my hair products. So this is the shampoo and conditioner from Amika's Buster Brass line. And it's a purple shampoo and conditioner, so if you're a blondie, you know what I'm talking about.
Let's see, we have a Tinted City Cream Makeup Serum.
Okay.
Makeup category.
SPF 25, which is great. Love it. Okay,
what's up for
my
you?
makeup product, Wander Beauty. I was really psyched when Birchbox started carrying this brand. This is their Glotion, which is a illuminizing
Just
lotion.
rub that all over your face. I love highlighter. Yeah. I always put it like here on my cheek and then down my nose.
Wherever the light
touches.
touches.
The lip. Wherever the light touches. Like Mufasa.
Your kingdom.
Lion King is one of my favorite movies.
Thank you, Mufasa.
Yeah, for that those words of wisdom. And then my last product is an eyeliner. Liquid liner by Ico. Which I am scared of wearing eyeliner.
Oh wait, I have one more too.
Dual.
How did we forget?
Oh my god, because we're just having too much fun.
I know. Okay, this is Kiehl's. I love Kiehl's products so much. This is their Ultra Facial Cream, which is like an excellent everyday moisturizer.
Yeah. Well guys, we've walked through all of our products.
I want more.
I know,
Let's do
right?
another.
We love Birchbox and each other, and you should unbox Birchbox with your BFF.
Bye.
Happy BFF Day.
Happy BFF Day.